What we need is Bisquick, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, and last but not least, chocolate chips. First, we need 2 eggs. We crack them. One egg. Two eggs. Okay, then we add 1 cup of milk. Then we add Bisquick. Don't add in too much, or your pancakes will not taste good. And then the oil. I am loving this. And we dump in the chocolate chips. Now, we stir them together and sing the stirring song. Make sure you stir the batter. Make sure you stir it good. Don't want bad batter, because that's what I should. Make sure to stir the batter and have good pancakes, kids.